million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me out in your sunlight. I know the way it makes me feel.
Alright, so before you trip out, because I know this looks crazy right now, I'm actually in my beauty room. Then my wigs up there on the shelf. That's my clothing rack of stuff I gotta haul. And I need to give a disclaimer. Alright, so y'all know I was done with them doggone headband wigs. I look so goofy. I was, but this company that we worked with before, Kriyya, or however you pronounce it, Kriyya, they said they wanted to send me a headband wig, and I immediately almost screamed out and said no, right? But they said wait, because we know you hate them. The wig that we want to see was a headband wig, but it got bangs, so can we send it to you? So I told them yes. Alright, so in the box, I got stocking caps, the wig, and they sent a ton of headbands, y'all. Like so many, plus the little sparkly one. Now, let's look at this wig, because they said that it has bangs and it's removable, and I think I'm going to go, like, after I finish getting myself together, go ahead and film this. But here's the wig itself. It's actually very, very beautiful curls. I'm trying to see. Y'all look how pretty them curls are. Ooh. Okay, now okay. Because I was ready to scream out. So the cap construction is like a normal headband wig. You get a comb in the back, of course, and your adjustable straps. And in the front, you get a comb here to the right, a comb to the left, a big comb here, and then y'all look at those bangs. Okay, look. And they are removable. Let's go play in this wig, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. I'm probably gonna style it a few ways. So I'm not mad that I got another headband wig, because y'all, this ain't just any old other headband wig. I absolutely love this one, and y'all know I hated them damn things. After a while, they just got so mundane. But y'all, it's something about this curl pattern with these bangs, amazing. And to be honest with you, there are so many other styles that you could have done with this. You could actually pull it all up and have some bangs, do a little pineapple. Y'all, this wig is absolutely gorgeous. I can't vouch for this one. This ain't just another headband wig. It's literally like one of them commercials. But wait, there's more. That's what this is. Absolutely cute, okay? And they actually sell it at a longer length. If you don't like this short length, they sell it in a longer one. So Kriyya Hair, that one I can't pronounce, I do recommend them. I can't rock with them, y'all. This wig is so stinking cute. It is. Now I ain't doing no more other headband wigs, period. Okay? Unless they did a straight blonde, ash blonde bang, you would have to be. But this one, it's cute. I definitely recommend it. Like I said, maybe you ain't into wigs. Maybe it's your cousin Kim. Maybe it's your Uncle Carl. Send them my way. We'll get them right. Until next time, y'all. Use that coupon code. Normally, they give me one. Look. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye.